To make your own natural disinfectant, try using hydrogen peroxide. Just pour 3% hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle and spray it onto surfaces you want to disinfect. Let it sit for at least 1 minute before wiping it up with a clean cloth or paper towel. You can also use 70% rubbing alcohol as a disinfectant. Spray surfaces with the undiluted rubbing alcohol and let it sit for at least 30 seconds. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends using a third cup, 80 milliliters, of bleach mixed with 1 gallon, 3.75 liters, of water to disinfect surfaces. Apply the diluted bleach to household surfaces and let it sit for 10 minutes. Never mix bleach with ammonia while you're disinfecting your home. Avoid using vinegar or tea tree oil as a natural disinfectant, since they may not be effective against certain viruses.